Today, we're comparing two tires from the same Michelin family but different ends of the spectrum: the premium Michelin Primacy 4 Plus and the budget-friendly Kleber Dynaxer HP4. Both these tires are owned by Michelin, with the Kleber Dynaxer HP4 launched in 2018 as a budget option and the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus hitting the market in 2022, representing the premium range. Let's dive into their performance, starting with wet conditions. In wet braking, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus stops in 43.3 meters, while the Kleber Dynaxer HP4 takes 45 meters. In wet handling, the Michelin achieves an average speed of 74.5 kilometers per hour, compared to Kleber's 73.6 kilometers per hour, and in straight aquaplaning resistance, the Primacy 4 Plus begins to slip at 85.2 kilometers per hour, whereas the Dynaxer HP4 starts at 82.8 kilometers per hour. Moving on to dry performance, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus stops in 36.3 meters during dry braking, while the Kleber Dynaxer HP4 takes 37.4 meters. For dry handling, the Michelin averages a speed of 115.1 kilometers per hour, slightly edging out the Kleber at 114.4 kilometers per hour. When it comes to mileage, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus lasts significantly longer, with a lifespan of 38,950 kilometers compared to the Kleber's 25,350 kilometers. Calculating the cost per 100 kilometers, both tires are roughly the same, with the Primacy 4 Plus costing around 26 euros cents and the Dynaxer HP4 around 25 euros cents. In terms of noise, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus is slightly quieter at 72.7 decibels compared to the Kleber's 72.9 decibels. For rolling resistance, the Kleber Dynaxer HP4 shows better efficiency with a coefficient value of 7.8 compared to Michelin's coefficient value of 8.16. In summary, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus excels in wet and dry performance, handling, and noise levels, while the Kleber Dynaxer HP4 delivers impressive performance for its price, maintaining a comparable cost per kilometer and staying competitive in both wet and dry conditions. With its lower entry price, the Kleber Dynaxer HP4 is a compelling budget-friendly option that upholds high standards. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.